For every organization, data is a key asset. Data is being constantly produced and consumed by various divisions in your business. Imagine a company whose marketing division is using a CRM and collecting information about their customers and prospects to launch campaigns. On the other hand, the accounting teams working on financial applications to process invoices and orders. As well, the on-ground sales team interacting with customers to generate new business. And finally, the senior management executives working towards profitable decisions. Each one of these divisions need to exchange accurate data among themselves. This data has been produced and/or consumed by various mobile and desktop applications, databases, analytics, machine learning models, etc. Hence, data exchange between these systems is essential. And therefore, for the exchange to happen, data needs to be centralized and further distributed to the downstream systems. Depending on the construction and evolution of the information system, the data can be duplicated in various applications. It is important to identify reference and transactional data and centralize them accordingly. Consolidate and streamline the most commonly used data into a central point. Establish an effective data control system to improve data quality, ensuring traceability on flows and offering statistical monitoring of the company's activity. Each data exchange between different applications and systems require a different granularity. Hence, the flexibility to have bulk or batch data loads, publish, subscribe, API web services, and data streaming methods becomes essential to the information system. Data hub, an architecture based on storage system that helps to structure exchanges between application bricks, streamline usage, and improve general knowledge around company data. This brings agility to restoring data from the business model, implementing legal audits, or migrating data between applications. Here's how Stambia can accelerate a data hub implementation. Stambia is a unified solution and a scalable technology that industrializes the construction of a reliable architecture for exchanges between applications in a half-flow mode called a data hub. Work on different types of projects around the data hub and use any type of technology to set up your data exchanges. With the rapidly increasing as-a-service market, Stambia provides a hybrid integration platform that is flexible in terms of working with on-premise, on-cloud, hybrid, or multi-cloud architectures. On the other hand, to set up synchronous and asynchronous data exchanges, Stambia's concept of a universal data mapper helps users build data pipelines in batch, streaming, publish, subscribe, and as a web service in a simple and consistent way. The ELT approach of Stambia delivers a simple integration architecture, maximizes performance, provides automatic scalability, and reduces overall cost of ownership. And lastly, use a simple and intuitive operational management and monitoring console to productionize your implementations and maintain daily operations. Now imagine your on-ground sales team can get the right information needed at the right time to increase new business and opportunities with an effective and reactive data hub architecture and data exchanges set up on top of it. Powered by Stambia Data Integration.